This isn't where I rebut.
It is yes.
Oh, so I don't come back up again?
Oh.
No.
What?
What's the?
Then I thought you were making a joke about rebutting.
Oh, man.
No, go ahead. You may enjoy your time as you see fit.
Oh.
Is rebuttal time?
So I'm not going to get back up again in a minute.
No.
Okay, good.
Not unless you want to.
No.
You could.
I'm so tired. I guess I'm kind of feeling attacked right now because Corey Hart is Canadian, right? And that's, in Irish time, that's 7 hours ahead. So I feel like he's an early bird. And so I feel like my experience as an immigrant and a woman from a post-colonial nation has been erased by your presentation. So, it's just, I don't know, I mean, we all, like, you know, we're young and we're, you know, we make these mistakes in academia, but, wow. Ouch. Ow. It's okay, I'm used to it.
Pressure wars.
Yeah, it's just like, oh my god, first of all, he's appropriating stripes, which are French. But anyway, I'm not going to get... I don't want to get personal when there's an American in a kimono right beside him.
This was Korean approved?
It was Korean approved. Problematic. And now I don't know this gentleman at the end, but I'm presuming it's a dandy Englishman because that's how he's dressed, so let's move. Anyway, no need for that. Let's just shut it down, okay? Good morning, everyone. Doesn't that sound so? It's like a new beginning, you know, a fresh start. It's life. Do you guys like life? Good morning. You made it through another night, you know. Good morning. I just keep saying, good morning. But what about this? Good night. Good night. If and when I murder somebody, that's what I'm going to say just before they die. Or there's like a few seconds when they're still, like they're dead, but they can still hear. And that's when I'm going to say, good night. But enough about words. Let's take our brains out of the equation, okay? We're here on the Upper West Side, where I dare to assume a lot of us are prone to overthinking. And I don't just mean all of the Jewish people here. New Yorkers think too much. So let's take this debate right back to our primal instincts, to each one of our 5 senses. Sense number 1, do you know what that is? Sight. Good. Isn't it nice to look around, see what's going on, take it all in with your peepers, like the curious little champ you are? Well, you can't do that at night because there is no light. Despite our opponent here talking about how the nighttime was lit, which it's not. That's the definition of it's not, it's dark. Sense number 2, hearing. It's a little difficult to pin down sounds of early birds and night owls, but here's something. See which one your ears prefer, okay? This is cue number 1.
Say good night.
Good morning, good morning. Sunbeams will look sparkle. Good morning to you and you lovely.
Don't you love it? Yeah, we really do. Same here, audience. It's just like a lady and her friends singing gently and sweetly. And, wait, let me check with my ears. What do you think? I love it. Now, listen to this. What am I? That's some angry men singing.
I love that song.
Yeah?
My favorite song.
That's because you're bad. Angry, screaming men. I ears hate that. It reminds them of 2017. Okay, sense number 3, that's our taste or gustation. There's a reason that lawyers and astrophysicists all say the same thing. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. That's because our taste buds told them to. In the morning, our taste buds are alert and alive and appreciative. It's honest. Like men returning from their noble work in the factories. We're hungry after a long spell without food. Dinner, which is a night owl thing, is for the spoiled dilettantes of the world. Guess who prefers dinner to breakfast? Eric Trump. Oh, hi Trump sons. Hi Donald Jr. Hi Eric. Hi Harry. Yeah, I'm sorry. What's that in your hand? A leopard's tail. What's that in your eyes? A faraway look. Sense number 4, smell. Come, take a walk with me. Metaphorical. Where are we going, Murph? Oh, we're just down here down to Chinatown. It's 6 a.m. What do you smell? Fresh air blowing in from the harbour, the clean and bracing brine of the newly caught fish, the sweet warm scent of the mid-autumn moon cakes baking happily in the Thai Pan Cafe. How lovely. Now let's do the same stroll at 10 p.m. night owl time. Down to Chinatown on a hot summer's night after a long day. What's that you smell? 100 pisses, 1,000 cigarettes. You're gagging now. You're smelling a million reasons to prefer the morning. And on to our final sense, touch.
I'm so glad I'm not sitting on the edge.
I'll tell you, it's called somatosensation. You say somato, I also say somato. Not sure how to say it. I'll tell you what touches me about the morning, puppies. Did you hear me? Puppies. Puppies do. I recently became the proud caregiver to a puppy named Shadow. Do you like her? I do. And she's an early bird. Every morning at 6:45 a.m., we go to the park for some off-leash time with her puppy friends. Here she is playing with the newfie. The opposition would deny Shadow and Bert this time. Oh, here's another puppy here.
I just had to check.
Her owner is very strange, but he is. Okay. What would I do if there was no such thing as the... Yeah, so it goes on and on. What would I do if there was no such thing as the early morning? I would have to euthanize all of these puppies.